something on the
Just a minute, sir.
If you were a professor in, if you were a student in Professor Vallabh's class, you know, the question is something else, the answer is something else. If he was the one who was the invigilator, he'd be very infuriated with the students' tactics. But we'll park that on the side. We'll come to the big achievements and the failures of the government. Let's take the government's achievements at the top.
All had no cattle.
Okay,
That is
okay.
the problem.
Okay,
All
okay.
had no cattle.
Okay.
This is precisely the answer to your question.
Okay,
Let everyone have equal time now, sir. Let everyone have
let's
equal
come to the
time.
Modi government's big achievements.
Yes, but
the Ram Mandir verdict comes in at the top at 27%. Now, which is interesting because actually the Ram Mandir verdict came through an order of the Supreme Court, but voters and respondents in our survey think that's the biggest achievement, and the government did push for it, and in that sense lay an enabling ground. The revocation of Article 370 comes in at number 2, with 20% of the respondents calling this the Modi government's biggest achievement. The handling of the COVID, which could have been a disaster and has been a disaster for many governments the world over, comes in at number 3 as the top achievement of the government. Then there is the Make in India campaign that comes in at 9, and the black money crackdown comes in at 8, which I'm a bit puzzled by because not much black money has come in, but that's what voters seem to believe.
So now flip it to the failures. If you look at the Modi government failures, the top failure is seen at the moment, not surprisingly, as unemployment. 29% are saying unemployment is the top failure of the Modi government. So the big achievement, Ram Mandir, Article 370, then COVID handling, all achievements. Failures, unemployment comes at the very top. The next is price rise, 13, demonetization, 10, farmer distress for all the agitation that's taking place is only 9% at number 4, and COVID handling, which many people criticize, has come at number 5. So clearly unemployment, joblessness remains the big issue that the government confronts. Ram Mandir verdict and Hindutva, whether it is the ideological agenda. If you look at Ram Mandir plus Article 370 comes to 47%. So clearly Hindutva is getting vindicated at one level, but economy, price rise, unemployment are seen as serious crises. Professor Sanjay Kumar, would I be right in looking at it in that context, that the economy remains the Achilles heel, if there is one in this government, even as Hindutva gets strong endorsement?
Absolutely right, Rajdeep. You are looking at the data correctly. If you look at the question on what has been the biggest failure of the government, it comes to unemployment. And I did mention that that was the mood even before 2019 election. And I would repeat that, but that disenchantment or disappointment of the government is not getting translated into people voting for parties other than BJP. And the reason which we have been discussing for the last half an hour is the crisis of leadership among the opposition parties. And if we look at the other issue of what are the achievements, yes, if you put at the two figures, if you add the two figures of Article